Meet Connecteam Updates. Share information with your entire organization in a click and keep everyone engaged and informed on important company matters. Connecteam Updates replace bulletin boards and company newsletters with your company's very own digital and colorful feed. Update on anything. Keep your employees informed about operational updates, from daily challenges to the latest company news, such as newly hired employees. It's also the perfect stage to share team success stories and wish everyone an enjoyable vacation. Don't just update, follow up. When posting an update, you can decide if you want it to pop up within the user's app, and you can even require their confirmation to make sure no one misses it. And you get a complete overview of engagement rates for updates, including who viewed and confirmed, while having the ability to quickly remind those who didn't. Targeted and automated publishing. Select who will receive your update and when, to make sure the relevant people get the right information at just the right time. You can even schedule updates in advance to be published automatically, giving you complete peace of mind. It's all customizable.
Create any kind of update in your company's brand language, tone of voice, and color. AI helps make your update clearer, and you can attach files, live polls, images, videos, and even shortcuts that lead to other features in our platform. Each employee sees the update translated into the language set on their phone, so everyone gets the right message.
Connecteam.